Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, Using a tablet, using a laptop, carrying balls in your backpack, why not to have two in one? Well, Dell has the XPS 13-inch laptop that it flipped to a tablet. So you end up having both the tablet and the laptop. Stay with me and I'll show you right now. Okay guys, this is a XPS 13 2-in-1 laptop on full brilliance. 13 inches, 2-in-1 that artfully crafted with the premium material to be thin and powerful with the new 11th generation Intel Core processor. That you guys see right here, still keeping the same color, beautiful material. Let's open it up and see how it looks. And in the package we have it comes just with a power cord and well, we know always come with some type of instructions. The power supply for the laptop and USB-C to USB 3 adapter. That's pretty much what's inside the box, nothing else. Okay, now let's talk about the material. It's been 2 blocks of aluminum, make it resistant, strong. The glass is a Gorilla 6. It can handle any impact and even scratches resistant. Comes with dual fan for cooling. It's really resistant to the heat. The engineers work very well on the material to keep the cooling inside and the heat from outside. Like I mentioned, the glass is a Gorilla 6. Fiber style color, really slick, like a keyboard. And like I told you guys, it will turn to a tablet, and it's still really comfortable to use. No damage, no to the keyboard once you put it down the table. It's been designed to be turned around like this and to even write with a special Dell pencil. It has Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C with a power delivery display port. It has a headset jack, Thunderbolt C, and it has the micro SD card slot too. The display port does a dual power and display. For the black palm rest, it is a carbon fiber inspired by the aerospace industry. The fiber palm rest allow the minimum strength and minimum weight. The design team works tirelessly to get the details just right, including carefully crafted backlining and a stain-resistant coating to prevent yellowing and staining. The latest Corning Gorilla Glass 6 is strong as well as impact and scratch resistant. Okay guys, I think that's it for today for this video. I will be doing later on another video about the performance of the laptop. After all, it's an excellent machine. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any comments, please leave it on the bottom. Please subscribe, like this video, and I hope to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.